first 2 minutes, push it, all right? Here we go, right now, here we go. So,
Proud to be DU on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
proud to be DU!
Sophia. Here we go. Tempo! Tempo! Shoot it! Great ball, good idea. Keep going, Becca, pull, pull. Spread out, spread out. Set it up, Monty. That's away. Wait, we're chattering. Here we go, Monty. That's away. Great job, you two. Let's go, Drexel. Let's go.
If it is on your side and it gets behind you, you cannot stand up and think they're going to give it back to you. You need to chase it down. You cannot let them get back in this game at all, all right? Right from the whistle, we're running them over. Good job. That's all right. Good job. And way to play with the down man. Excellent.
Go Drexel!